So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this GoBuster tool, and what this tool is. It will take a word list as an input, and it will check the each and every word list whether the website has its directory or not. Suppose this is used for finding the directories that are the website. So let me type the GoBuster -h for the help page, and you can see available commands are dir dns help vhost. So in this video we are going to look at this dir, and this dir command you need to specify some flags, and h for help and z for no progress. Don't display the progress, just brute force and tell me if there is any index or not, and -o for output the string. So that is output file to write results, and q for quit, and t for threads. So you need to give number of threads this GoBuster want to run to increase the speed, and v for verbose to see what's happening, and w for word list, the path to the word list file. So let's go ahead and run this GoBuster. So I want to do the directory busting, and I want to specify the -u for URL. I need to specify the URL, that is http:// and my IP address. So if it's running on the different port, you need to put the semicolon and provide the port number. So finally I want to specify the word list. Now let me show you the word list, and it's in cd usr share word list, and it is in dirbuster folder. These two folders contain the word list. You can use if I say ls. Okay, these are some of the directories text files. You can just cat one of them to show you the example. So I'm going to cat this directory listing, which is small one. So this small one contains all these words. What GoBuster does is it will send a get request to this address. So normally it will take this URL, and it will put this suppose say music news, and it will put the /music news, and this GoBuster sends a http get request for this web address. If this web server contains this music news page, then we will get the response, right? If that response contain 200 response 200 okay, then this is music news exists. Otherwise this web server does not contain music news. In that way, GoBuster will check each and every word with this web server by sending the get request. So let me run this word list. So let me copy this path. So okay, now I need to specify this text file. Now as you can see, the GoBuster is running, and it has found a directory called manual, and also usage and mrtg. So in this way, this GoBuster will find the directories inside this web server. So one thing you need to know is anyone can run this GoBuster syntax, but after getting these directories, you need to copy this, and you need to directory bust do this brute forcing from this directory onwards. That means you need to copy this one. Okay, so my scan has been finished. Okay, now what I want to do is, so I say / and then I will say mrtg. So from this URL, it will GoBuster will keep on slash, and then we'll try the every word in this text file. So you need to do these many times. It will be best practice, because uh, they may contain multiple nested directories. That's why it's better to use a GoBuster in this way, because so many CTFs, and also when you are pen testing, it will be a lot more useful even in the OSCP exam. Sometimes you will not get some potential information by looking at the starting domain. You need to take these directories, and also you need to perform the GoBuster from these directories also, so that will be more helpful. So looks like GoBuster did not found any directories from this MRTG. And you can open the web browser and type in this URL, and you will get some response page. So don't worry if I am not showing any examples, but we will do later with the try hack my rooms and hack the box boxes. Don't worry about all this. This is just like theory, and like getting you started to introduce you to all these tools, and then we will use them in some practice. So that's all about this GoBuster tool. You can just simply use this dir command to specify the URL and the word list to dictionary attack these. Check out all these directories in this file.